Outdoor Carlos from Bushcraft Africa YouTube channel here, and today I don't have a tent, no food, no water. All I have in my bag is a camera, batteries only, even no weapon today. And I want to summit this hill here. I don't know how it is going to be, but I have to summit the hill. Look, the far I've come from. You can see the other side. If you remember, I show you these hills when we were the other side. So today is about summiting this hill up here. Let's go. water, anything, even to eat. Ah. Not giving up until I reach to the top. I'm not going to give up. No matter how tiresome is it or dangerous is it. This is African mountains. And African mountains, you don't know what you're gonna meet. Because down there, I just met with the zebras. And wherever there is zebras, there is hyena. There is rock pythons on this mountain. To be honest, I'm not afraid. I have to reach to the top. The goal is to reach to the top, and we are going to reach there. I am going. The mountain. Now you can see the valley. See the valley. Look at that view. The beauty is on the top. Look at that view the other side. You see? That is it. There's nothing impossible in this world. You can achieve it. At first, I enjoyed the mountain. I said like I'll never reach the top, but definitely here I am, and I want to show you something. Let's go show you something. There is a crater up here. Oh my God. God. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Is that amazing? Wow. Holy moly. Now come and see. Also you can see the lake from up here. It's so beautiful. We reached on the top and we have achieved it. Look, that crater, what God has created. Amazing. Oh, hey, look at those. Those are the white ones. Those are wow. Isn't that amazing? Is that amazing? Look at that. I can see those people on the mountain the other side. They are hiking. People hiking. There is a lake here. Another lake. You see this one? This is another lake. And this is a crater that was created by volcanic. And this is me. And I've just come from this side, deep down there. You see the beauty of life? Sweet things are hard to get. And I can't imagine the view. I can't see the view. God. Look at that view. The beauty of life is on the other side. I'm not going to give up. Whatever I started on this channel, I'll still do camping, adventure and hiking on this channel, because that is what makes me. I was supposed to come with the tent. I camp on this hill, but I wanted to test the wind, but it is very windy. I don't know what about the night, because up on the hill nothing can get to you, but when you are up on the hill, but the wind, you can see other people hiking from the other side. That is amazing. I've been to this side, but I've never been on the top. I'll look for a drone. This one is so beautiful. It's so wondrous. There is a forest. Oh God. So, is this beautiful? Look at that. Hey. Woo. God, we made it. Thank you. It's time. It's time now. I go and see that crater the other side. That one. I need to reach to that one. Those ones, I think they are enclosed. If they don't have a fence, I'll go in, because there is a road there. That road, it comes like that. So Isambo, I think there is people living there. I can go and try it. Look at that. See? Super amazing, super beautiful. mountain. These are mountain goats. Even in Kenya we have mountain goats, or Maasai goats. And Maasai goats, mountain goats, because I see mountain. They have just hiked this mountain in a simple way. Porcupine. There is porcupine here. I came with no food, but there is porcupine. If I'm supposed to sleep here today, then there is porcupine to hunt. Oh, I even didn't carry fire, but I can see the house of matchbox here. I just need this one to start fire. So I need to look for stick. I need to look for something that can start fire. Even mountain goats are coming towards me. Those are foods. Already food. This one comes in handy. This is a knife. Holy moly. How did we reach up here? That is the city. And that is the view that people miss. Good thing I did not meet with buffaloes. I know a lot of times on these hills, around these hills, you can meet with buffaloes, but definitely there's no buffalo to threaten my life. It's time to go back. Look at that mountain goat at my things. So I'll decide to go on that hill next. I know those ones are private. I would love to go to them, but there is animals. There's leopards and mountain lions inside there. Here we have goats only. But at night, if it was night, I could have met with mountain lions up here. So if I come to camp here, I need to be prepared.